you survive this 5 minutes?
First exercise.
Sit on the edge of your bed and place your hands in front of you. Now, go and lie in your bed and then quickly get back up and stand up. Repeat this motion to keep your neck in a neutral position. That means just facing forward and do not look up or down throughout this exercise.
Always thankful for something, don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up, it's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, 'cause
10 seconds left.
you can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything.
Next exercise.
Lie in your bed while holding your pillow up. Now try to pass your pillow to your feet as you raise both feet towards your hands to grab the pillow. Repeat passing the pillow from your feet to your hands.
Always thankful for something, don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up, it's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, 'cause
10 seconds left.
you can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything.
Next exercise.
Lie in your bed while holding your pillow up. Now try to pass your pillow to your feet as you raise both feet towards your hands to grab the pillow. Repeat passing the pillow from your feet to your hands.
Feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal.
10 seconds left. Rest.
I'm so gone. No, I'm never turning back. I won't stop. I'ma fight until there's nothing left. It's so what? You're gonna be hurting bad, 'cause I've been to hell and back. You don't wanna make me mad.
Next exercise.
You will never see me crack. And if you
Put your leg up and crisscross your feet like a pair of scissors. This exercise is simple as it is.
breaks after math, when I hate, I attack. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal.
10 seconds left. Next exercise. Halfway there.
Now let's get on our feet for this exercise. Raise your leg to the side and then raise your feet in front and kick forward. Repeat for the other leg.
Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time.
10 seconds left.
Thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright.
Rest.
And for the first time in a long time, I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some and things are not the same as they were a year ago. But all
Next exercise.
I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I ain't going back, I'm not falling. I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear
10 seconds left.
it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going live. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes.